ukuthi kwenzakala yini, understand. But unfortunately he was meant to be, ngingayibeki in the wrong way. Ithi ngibeka nje, we were friends to that extent ukuthi besishare noma yini. Understand, amangwinile emadayisini amnganambamba kanje, namakawinile amnganambamba kanje, understand. Until nje kuba nengozi kayenzeka emadayisini. Trusted friend, or I won't say trusted friend, someone besizitshele ukuthi we us understand how we together in this game of playing dice. Wakhipha isibhamu wamshaya ngezethe
in front of you.
Yeah, then ukubeka kwama dice till today.
Bamwayina bamwe imali.
Yeah, ile nto lokuthi lo beka seka isiphandi sokuthi sekangena kuma house breaking in
lo phethizela.
Yeah, those kind of thing. And mageza nemali idayizini thina isilezi esihlala idayisi kuphela. We had ukuthi simshaya imali lesimshaya
mastering.
Then wasilwisela yona lento le, then we had ukuthi simnikeze imali esimodle yona, but abantu bebaqinisa amakhali laba bebazazi ukuthi bona bazithembile. So thina bese mina kwelami side ithi ngikhulumele lami side mina ngalaya ngikho ngalo. Mina ngilezo ukuthi mangibona ukuthi ufuna impintshi ngiyakwazi uku-avoid kakhulu noma ungayenza inani. I know how to switch myself.
So lo mjida bamcima laphana lo lithatha imali yakhe uchifta kanje.
Yeah, but we manage ukuthi simgijimise samthola. Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah, fight with him, do whatever ntoni. Kwaba maboko man bambamba. But after plus I said 3 to 4 months wathola bail, then wabilokishini, then
kwaphela kanjani.
Kwaphela kanjani.
Yeah, justice system yethu hayi ngale indlela.
Angeke sibablame nje sothi.
Yeah, so we never ever would you committed to drugs abuse, substance, something like that.
Let me put it like this. I once smoked. Now I smoked it because of it was a purpose of me, or it was my intentions to go and smoke it.
Okay.
Yeah. Bengipemi zolo.
Okay.
Mangise Rosebank College.
Okay.
The painful thing, ngale nto le thola umngane sihlomile kanje.
Yeah.